Okay. Oh. What's up, everyone? Hell yeah. So, you won't believe me if I told you. It's a snowstorm out. Yep. I'm on the Honda Navi. Yep. Oh, geez. That's a lot of weight on my handlebars. It is like 7 p.m. at night. I'm currently on my way to pick up Tipsy because we're going for a 30-kilometer ride out to where our bikes are to do some work on our bike. And it's snowing like this, we'll probably be out there for like 4+ hours anyways, maybe 3-4 hours, who knows. Wonder what the weather's going to be like on the way home. Oh damn, it's going to be sketchy. Let's get Tipsy right now, guys.
One eternity later.
Okay guys, I got Tippy. Are you ready to die tonight? Yeah, okay, good. So am I, because it's snowy and it's slicky slick. And we got a long ride. Oh God, we're all gonna die tonight. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, I'm going, yeah, I was going to turn, but I decided to go straight. When he started moving around, it kind of confused me. I meant to bring my face mask under my helmet, but I thought it was going to be colder and not snowy. So it's, I think I should be okay. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Haven't died yet. Yeah, yet. Yeah, tunnel action maybe. Yeah. Wonder how much it's supposed to snow out. I didn't think we were getting like anything. I guess it's technically flurries. The deadly freaking, I hate this road, because when you get up here, it's like on a slope around the corner. Oh yeah. Been there, done that a few times. Both of us have ate shit on this road. We're doing good, we're doing good. And we're on stock tires, guys. Stocky. Oh. Oh. Wait a brake pad. Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God, God, stop. Okay. Oh. Oh God. I don't want to go out there. Oh God. Right here's going to be sketch. Oh, there. Oh. Whoa. Oh. Okay, I think we should be good. Whoa! I took my hand off the handlebars. So guys, out of 30 kilometers, we've done about 1.5 kilometers. Yeah, side streets till Montreal and then all the way to Quebec for the rest. What the hell is this coming at us with no lights? Is it someone walking or a bike or? Oh God, that's a big snowball! Okay, I missed it. I'm gonna wipe and slide out head first in this SUV car. Oh God, oh God, oh God. No, pedal bike. Mountain bike anyways. Could be an e-bike, but... Woo! Okay, made it up that hill, no problem going. No problem going. I'm crying currently. I'm just getting... I'm pre-crying so when I wipe out, I don't have to cry that. You go to leave Paul's, look outside and there's a foot of snow. Tipsy hasn't been on these pathways in a while. Yeah. Oh God. That way doesn't even look plowed. Shit. Oh fuck.
Oh no.
The Navi for a win. The Navi rules. Oh God.
Oh God. He's gonna totally come
Okay, now we're actually cooking with grease. Going down. Woo, guys, this is how you roll, I think. I'm picking going all the way up Sydney. Oh God, a different view. Holy fuck. Oh, I thought we were dead. My life instantly flashed before my life. You dummy dum-dum. Don't you, okay, be a dum-dum. Okay, at least one dum-dum, not two. Snow patch. Whoa, why is this all dirty? I figured this road would be clean. Oh, I had my visor up, now I can't see. It's all wet inside. Oh, I'm on the snow patch. A little bit of snow, never hurt anyone. I better clean you guys off. My bad. Phew, oh God, it didn't rock it. Oh, big hole. Hold on. Okay, we swerved. Yeah. Going up the hill, slowing down up the 60 section. I don't know what I'm doing. It's covered in snow. Why is my freaking beard all snowy? I got a helmet on. I'm eating snow out of my beard. No! Space aliens flying at me. That acid's really kicking in, man. Oh my God, we need to push behind us! Ah! We gotta go. Oh God. Gotta start drifting in the snow. Not bad in the open, somewhat slick out. Oh, I can't see now. Where's the brake lights? That makes it worse. Would it hurt if we fall right now? So don't reenact the muffler? Okay, I'll do my best. Oh God, we got about 25Ks to go. The good news is his garage is heated, so we get there, strip down, and it'll be good. Wow, I got snow pants. That it was not meant to come out like that. I don't even know how much gas we have. I guess I should have checked before we left town. Isn't there a gas station in Frankfurt? I need visor up for a minute. Oh yeah, some fresh out of the stank. Oh. Oh yeah, that's for sure. Oh yeah, especially with 580 pounds on it. As long as we don't put 1,000 pounds on, we're good.
One eternity later.
What's up, guys? We're leaving now. We worked on the bikes. You guys probably already seen those videos. Oh, God. Is it open? It's not open. Yeah, I almost just choked on my mints. I can't talk and eat 2 mints. Whoa! Oh God. It's okay, people, we're professionals. Professional motorcyclists. Nom 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 nom. It's a mint. So it stopped snowing, as you guys can see, so that's a good sign. And hopefully we don't die on the way home. And hopefully we don't run out of gas. It'll be close. It'll be... We could be taking turns pushing, because it'll be pretty close, actually. Yeah, I think I'll be going straight, like, out to 62 and finding the closest gas station. I almost swallowed a whole mint. Yeah. Whoa. Nom 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 nom. It's a little chillier than it was this morning coming out here. I mean this evening. Oh, we're doing 68. I just spit. I had to spit him out. I just had a thought of dying, so. I can get hit by a transport truck, that's okay, but I just don't want to choke to death. Keeping an eye on the gasoline situation here, because we're out in the middle of nowhere, and everyone's sleeping, because everyone got to work. Okay, guys, we're going to see if we make it to, oh my god. Okay, I got rid of Tipsy. Went for just a little cruise once we got back to town. He was going to make